Hey guys and gals, this is Eric with Partner with Eric. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I want to specifically go over with you a few things here. This is an opportunity. Just imagine it's like a country club. It's nothing racial, nothing anything like that. It's a country club to have the right to buy gold and silver in a membership that stocks gold and silver. They stock up for it. And it's a wonderful situation here because of the things that they're doing to grow your wealth, my wealth, our wealth in many different ways. A lot of people talk about multiple streams of income. Well, this is going to give you the power, as you're going to see here in a couple of minutes, of what you could actually do for your family, for your wealth, for your benefit. And there's so many benefits to this membership that I can't go into it specifically in this one video, but I can say if you click on the link in the description below, put in your email and your full name, you can go through a process where we show you step by step to an extent of the opportunity that you're going to see here. Now, there are many different membership benefits, as you can see here in this little diagram. We have the access to the Sound Money wallet. I'm going to talk about that a lot here because that has to do with the residual income part of it, but also it has to do with having your own account in your what we call the membership back office. Okay? It's basically your own bank. And I know that the banks are really kind of jittery about these things. This is why people come out and say negative things about Bitcoin, or they say negative things about getting too much gold and silver. And people are scrambling to find silver, right? When if you're a member here, you would have been able to get gold and silver anytime you want. And I'll show you that here in a moment. But this Sound Money wallet is probably the basis for the entire membership as far as I'm concerned. There's an autosaver program where you get consistent in receiving gold and silver every month in a timely manner. Now that's a pre-set up cost, but once you start receiving residual income in your back office, because my team, we're going to help you build people under you, then they take it directly out of that back office. So you're really never spending any of your own specific money. You're spending money that you've built up from actually expressing this opportunity to other people. Then there's a 7K healthcare program that I haven't even got into yet. And it's just wonderful. It's like working for a corporation and you hate your job, but you stick with the corporation because there's so many great benefits. Well, now you can get into a membership and get your own benefits. See, this is the way to circumvent the issues that we all have in the real world right now, specifically with certain entities I won't mention that are doing things in a totalitarian way that a lot of us conservatives and a lot of people are going to be suffering from if we don't take it back for ourselves. And this is part of that. You get direct dealer pricing. Your gold and silver will be direct pricing. It will be 2 to 5 approximately dollars below spot on the silver, and between $30 and $50 cheaper below spot on the gold. So there's membership benefits all around. Then there's 7K rare coins. This is something that I didn't know, that this membership provides you the training and the opportunity to understand how to get and acquire those type of rare coins that accumulate in value consistently. There are tax advantages. There's gold-backed IRS. This is like our own little Wall Street without being involved in Wall Street. And then they've got the 7K Advantage, which is an even bigger membership platform that comes along with the 7K Metals membership, and you get hotel stays, you get airline tickets, rental cars, food discounts, discounts all across the board for so many things. It's a wonderful, also little perk as a member. You get residual income, especially when we continue to build under you, that it will continue to start giving you back office income every week. And they pay right on the spot. They pay right on Saturday night or Sunday morning, midnight. So it's been a really good experience for me at this point. And then obviously e-commerce sales, as we'll see here in a moment, with the gold and silver opportunity that most people see. And sometimes people question me in email saying, well, Eric, I see that you guys are out of this or you're out of that. And I'm like, well, guys, that's the retail version. Okay, the members get to go to their back office and they get to purchase their own gold and silver in bullion bulk if they want to, anytime they want. Okay, that's the retail side of it, where you would share your link with people who just want to buy gold and silver and get those rare coins, but they're not interested in getting into a membership, which is actually kind of a poor decision, because in the long run, within 3 to 4 months, you'll have that membership paid off just from the residual income that you get. Okay, so that's a wonderful diagram that we consistently show people to help them to understand what the opportunity is here with a private membership to purchase your own gold and silver, and even copper. I think they have platinum too every once in a while. They have every Monday where they have a coin drop where you can come in and get special coins that they don't put out for anyone else but members. It's a wonderful opportunity. So let's go to the Sound Money wallet. Okay, so as you can see, this is my Sound Money wallet. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been in here for 3 weeks. I'm building people up and under me. Okay, so I'm not being greedy with traffic. I want to get people under me consistently. And when one person comes under me, I put 2 people under them, and so forth and so on. And so we're slowly but surely growing. They shut one of my other YouTube channels down for a couple of weeks, so I haven't been promoting on that one. But it's a much bigger channel with a much better algorithm. But once that comes back, we will be consistently growing stronger. But I'm also working on another, obviously, this YouTube channel and several more. So, but you can see this is my Sound Money wallet. Now, I have not connected my debit card with this yet. Now, this is not my personal banking debit card. There's a debit card that goes along with this that you can connect to this back office. There's also been a new thing to where now they're going to allow people to send Bitcoin to this back office wallet. Okay, so if you're getting gains in Bitcoin like I am, you see those 10% or 20% gains over the last month, you can take 5% of those gains and send it to the Sound Money wallet and purchase gold and silver. No transaction fees. The only transaction fee they have in this is whenever you connect your bank account to this Sound Money wallet. If you want to take money from that bank account and putting into this wallet, that's great. There's no transaction fee for that. But the only one transaction fee that they have is whenever you actually take money from this wallet and send it back to your bank. Okay, it's like a $5 fee. But in actuality, I would personally never use that to do that. I'm going to leave all of this in here. I'm going to get gold and silver with it. I'm going to exchange it in and out consistently so I can make profit with the gold and silver going up. You can also purchase, this is where you purchase your bullion, and you can see that I have $82 worth of silver right there. That's in the private vaults of this membership platform. And I can extract it and have them send it to me anytime I want, or I can leave it in there for as long as I want. And they will hold on to it, they will store it, and they will make sure that I can access that gold and silver anytime I want. So it is amazing what the opportunity is here. It's almost unbelievable, but when you can take the crypto world and exchange it into this back office as well, from Bitcoin, say, for example, into this back office, and purchase gold and silver with your profits from, say, cryptocurrency, it's a win-win situation. This way, you're basically just avoiding bank transactions. You're becoming your own bank. I have a hard wallet too. It's a little hard wallet like this for my Bitcoin. Okay. So when I continue to have profits, all I do is I stick that hard wallet in my computer. It accesses, hey, you've got this much Bitcoin. Here's I can deduct my profits if I want, and I can send it directly to this back office. It's unbelievable what this company has opened up for people, common people like you and me. So definitely take a look at this. Click in the link in the description below and at least give yourself a chance to take a look at what's happening. Okay, you can see that I became a copper pretty soon. I've got quite a few payments already in the back office here, and they actually took out my autosaver every month, and I've already received my coin. And then I purchased some silver there as well. You can see those transactions. So it is amazing what they give you in an opportunity here. So let's take a look at the e-commerce portion, where you can see that, yes, this is what everybody sees and this is what everybody talks about. And they say, well, Eric, you're sold out here. You're sold out here. Yeah, because people are looking for places to buy gold and silver, but they're not members. Okay, if you're a member, you actually have an access to this back office, and you can buy gold and silver bullion anytime you want. You can buy gold and silver eagles anytime you want, and they will send it to you on request. It says the control is now in your hands to manage your portfolio, convert your cash to gold and silver in an instant. We'll keep it safe and sound and be ready to put it in the mail, FedEx, if you ever want it. You can transfer cash, gold, or silver to another member at any time as well. So if you connect with another member and want to pay them for goods and services of any kind, you can pay them from this back office with no fees whatsoever. It's a wonderful situation. If you're a person that wants to build a team under you like I do, I'm eventually going to tell my team, okay, I'm going to award someone this month with $50 worth of silver if they're continuing to work hard to build people under them, just like we're helping them. So it's a wonderful reciprocation opportunity as well to be inside gold and silver. Okay, so definitely take a look at this. Click on the link in the description below. My team and many of my now associates who earn up to $500 a week with residual income, which I have, I think, about 7 of them, are going to be there and willing to help people, put people under them as well. It's a wonderful situation. They've been in business since I think 2016. It's a very good structured platform, and it has to do with gold and silver and accumulating wealth for you and your family and your teammates. Okay, so I'm very interested in helping you. I'm very interested in helping my own teammates that are already under me. I don't really care about expanding too fast or too big unless I just get a lot more people coming in, because I just want to add one person and then put 2 people under them and continue that process, because it's the best way for me to continue to scale up as well. And my team members follow right behind me. Okay, it's a wonderful way to help people understand how to accumulate wealth and gold and silver from home. Okay, so if you're interested, click on the link below. Go through our 3-step video process. You can always click on one of those buttons and below in one of those links and connect with me and set an appointment if you're serious about getting started with this wonderful gold and silver private membership. Okay, have a great day, guys and gals. God bless. Be safe.